How to feed your rescued baby bird. In simple 87 steps. Add precisely 17 pieces of cat food to a glass jar. Add 3 more for good luck. Soak with boiling water using an exact 2-to-1 ratio or your bird will hate you. Waft in some of that goodness. Cut a straw on a very sharp 3 degrees angle. Step cat food tea for 3.76 minutes, exactly. Now it's time for all your hard work to pay off.
Come on, Pip. Come on.
Be sure to use a random wood coffee stirrer instead of the straw mentioned earlier for no apparent reason.
Pip, eat your breakfast. Come on, Pip.
I probably added too much water. Get pooped on. Don't forget to wipe. Get Mega Dino Cuddles Red Heart.